I understand, and I was also in the same boat as you. I was very skeptical in the beginning as well. Like, okay, let me try it, see how it goes. Let's see if this product does what it says. But believe me, when I say this, this thing is amazing. Right now it's like 9 a.m. here, and I'm drinking my Unimate. So I'm drinking hot. You know, you can drink this either way, hot or cold. So I was just feeling a little bit under the weather, so I was like, yeah, let me drink it hot. It's gonna make me feel good, and it's gonna continue my fast. And I'm gonna have my lunch around 2 o'clock. That's what I do, and I don't even feel hungry. And I have lost over 20 pounds now. So yeah, send me a message. Actually, I just started following you as well, so I can't post my link right now because I'm not 1,000 followers yet. So I really want everyone to use this. And coming back to your comment, my friends did not trust me either before they saw the results. So look at me right now. So there's all flat. Well, still have a lot to lose. It's not done yet. So trust me on this. You're not gonna regret it. It's a very simplest plan. You're not removing anything from your diet. You're just adding one or two packets during the day and burning fat.